As the fourth industrial revolution emerges globally, the development and application of technology is inevitable. Central to this will be SATCAP projects. For 2021, SATCAP has focused on creating awareness, understanding and acceptance for mining modernization. The 2021 projects are focused on skills development to support a modern workforce for modern mining. We know that SATCAP is the successful application of technology centered around people research program. As a research program, it seeks to understand the challenges, effects and impacts of mining modernization on the people in the mining sector. It also looks at how people relate to each other and with technology in the process of modernization. Centered on people, SATCAP is focused on people-related technology enablers, tools and solutions for potential uptake of solutions for industry use and business improvement opportunities. A glimpse into the SATCAP's 2021 work packages. Join us on a journey. SATCAP has brought unions, MIMSA, OEMs, suppliers, MHSC, 3 mining universities and research partners together into a think tank, and this is where it led. Early in the journey, Stakeholders immersions tours were successfully held to mining universities. The intent was to create an awareness, understanding and acceptance for mining modernization. Immersions into modern mining training context allowed for stakeholders to smell, taste, touch and feel what is possible in terms of modern mining training. The skills and people-centric workplace packages are aimed at the art of possible for modernizing training. In a world where innovation is a necessity, constant change brings a need for continual upskilling, reskilling and cross-skilling. No one can move forward and improve on production efficiency and mine modernization if they're not able to develop their frontline leaders and workers in the new way. Which is why we see upskilling and reskilling of our people as being critical and have considered the development of a modern foundational supervisory and leadership development program for mines. SATCAP and its partners have developed a first-of-its-kind, interactive, immersive and blended supervisory leadership program currently with immersive content and 4th IR technology for the benefit of our frontline leaders in mining. Innovative AET, Adults Education Training, is critical and is a big challenge to the development of our employees, communities and country. Without digital literacy skills, our workforce may not be able to keep pace with digital innovations and the basic usage thereof. Digital literacy skills become crucial for mining modernization. The use of 4IR technology is being applied and tested in the front line of our mines by miners and RDOs. Our project aims to bring the best of the past with the best of the future technology for safer mining and efficiency. The term industrial revolution tends to bring our focus purely on technologies. However, this would be inaccurate. The focal point of 4IR is people, and SATCAP at its fundamental level appreciates people as those who will be impacted by the modern mining technologies, systems and processes. So, inclusion of stakeholders and taking stakeholders along on the modernization journey is at the heart of SATCAP. The SATCAP 2021 work packages aim to demonstrate the art of possibility around a modern workplace for modern mining. The potential impact focuses on mitigating risk like job losses and maximizing economic impact for South Africa through, for example, job preservation and job creation. Reskilling, upskilling and cross-skilling and new skills may illustrate the renewed value to the mining ecosystem. Real mining industry stakeholder needs were considered with art of possible solutions investigated for potential transfer to industry. Inclusion of stakeholders is critical to mining modernization. Unions, NUM, UASA, AMCU, Solidarity, NUMSA have identified the Mandela Mining Precinct as a potential vehicle for their inclusion in mining modernization and requested to be involved in the Mandela Mining Precinct's research planning processes. We look forward to the realization of this future. SATCAP will demonstrate its 2021 projects with its skills focus to support a modern workforce for modern mining in January 2022. Join us in 2022 for the SATCAP Showcase, where through the art of possible, some potential value for the industry may be unearthed.